Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Shazia Khalid from FFS Kohart. I am teaching to class 2, subject is English and the topic is the rainbow. Book is Modern English Book 2. What is the topic? The rainbow. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds the road from earth to sky is prettier than these. And this poem has been written by Christina Rossetti. Let's sing the poem.
Boats Sail on the Rivers by Christina Rossetti. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these.
Let's discuss the words and meanings of the rainbow. The first word is bow. Anything that is curved like an arch. You can look at the picture and you can see the arch there. Heaven. Heaven means the sky. Number 3 is overtops. Rises over the top of, or in easy words, at the top of. Sail. Sail means when a boat travels on water. The rainbow. Now we will go through the poem. This poem is written by Christina Rossetti, and this poem is about boats, ships, clouds and bridges. The clouds that sail across the sky are more beautiful than the boats sailing across the rivers. There is a comparison between the bow of the bridges on the river and the bow on the sky. So you can see the difference between the bow of a bridge and you can see the bow of a cloud. Now we will discuss the questions and answers. Question number 1 is, where do boats sail? Boats sail on the rivers. Where do ships sail? Ships sail on the seas. What sails across the sky? Clouds sail. Sail here means move. Move across the sky. What are the two prettiest things in the poem? Clouds and bow. Bow means rainbow are the two prettiest things in the poem. What is another name for the bow that bridges heaven? The rainbow is another name for the bow that bridges heaven. Is there a difference between a boat and a ship? Find out. Yes, there is a difference between a boat and a ship, and a boat is lighter than a ship. You can see the difference between the two boats and ships, and boats are lighter than the ships. Okay, question number 2 in your text is, what are they? Find these words in the poem. Better looking. Better looking means prettier. The planet on which we live is Earth. See, it is built to cross over a river bridge. We can sail in these, boat and ship. White and fluffy, it floats, it moves in the sky. So, these are clouds. Now, we will discuss the topic noun. Naming words are called nouns. So, noun is the name of a person, place, thing and animal. A noun is a person. Person can be a boy, a girl, a man, a woman. So, like a girl, girl can be a Faiza. Boy can be Ahmed. Place can be a hotel, a road, a country, a city. Animal, So animal names, like you can see here, crab, elephant, squirrel. Thing can be anything. If you are sitting in your bedroom, so all the things there are nouns, and if you are in the classroom, all the things there are nouns, like geometry box, pouch, and table, chair, pencil, eraser, etc. So underline all nouns in the following. Tiny Tim was playing in the kitchen. He stood on a chair next to the sink. Water was coming out of the tap. He put his thumb under the hole in the tap. The water went all over the floor. It went all over his head too. Rainbow. And here later you will write in your own words. Rainbow is a natural phenomena. Phenomenon means natural happening. It comes after rain. It has 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. It looks beautiful. I love to see rainbow in the sky. So you can see the beautiful colors of rainbow here. Thank you.